Experience a life of utmost convenience at the Exchange, an exceptional stay in Liverpool that will redefine your perception of high-quality student living. Whether you prefer the privacy of a studio or the convenience of an ensuite, the Exchange offers something for everyone. With a snug bed ensuring a restful night's sleep, ample storage space, private bathroom, and a study desk keeping your academic goals within reach, you'll find everything you need. Plus, the fully fitted kitchen allows you to prepare delectable meals with utility bills included in the rent, helping you save big on expenses. But wait, there's more. Chill out on cozy lounge chairs in the media room, socialize with pals in the residence lounge, or ace your academic game in the study rooms with free high-speed Wi-Fi. Stay fit in the fully equipped gym and bid farewell to daily hassles with on-site laundry facilities and 24/7 security. When it comes to location, Liverpool John Moores University and the University of Liverpool are both nearby, ensuring you never miss early morning lectures. On weekends, enjoy fun evenings at the Northwestern, J.D. Wetherspoon, or plan dinner dates at Blake's Restaurant. For your caffeine fix, Starbucks coffee and Caffè Nero are conveniently close. With various commute options nearby, saving time and money has never been easier. So, what's holding you back? Head straight to amberstudent.com and book your ideal stay at the Exchange Liverpool right away.